All right, the next stock we're going to be taking a look at is stock ticker symbol BSX, Boston Scientific Corp. Again, this is another one that really gets a lot of attention over on Investors Hangout, and especially through the Twitter account, BSX a lot. So I wanted to cover it real quick. Again, I looked at this yesterday, putting it together last night, and it was below that 10-day simple moving average. I think we're going to see the same thing with this one that we did with the last one, as far as these simple moving averages are going to basically dictate which way it's going to go. But let's get into what's going on right now. Obviously, we can go back here. We see what happened here, okay? I see exactly the same thing kind of going on. So right now, right here, it was just riding that lower Bollinger Band down, okay? And something happened. I don't know if something happened with the company, whatever the case might be, but it got up there above that 10-day simple moving average and just bounced along for 4 days straight. Okay, and then once it fell through, it just fell through, and then it became like a resistance. You see that all the way down here, all the way down. Over on 12.5, though, it got through it, and it became like a little bit of a support. And a red day following back, I would have said, hey, looks like it couldn't hold it again. It's going to go down, but it didn't. It started holding steady, and it got through there. So, again, I mean, we're going to have to go with the last one on this. As far as the long term, I mean, this thing's been like a steady drop since looks like September. Just, a downtrend right now. I mean, it can definitely reverse, but right now it's a downtrend. I mean, it's pretty obvious. So as far as a day trade, channel trade, you might want to hold off on it, see what's going to happen here. I'd like to see a break of 20-day simple moving average. And once you get through that 20-day simple moving average, it could go right up to the 30-day. But I think Joe's got something to add here.
Yeah, see, what I'm seeing right here in the news on the 28th, Nevro, which is another, it's called, wait, is it the same company? All right, so on the 28th, there's a company that filed a patent infringement against Boston Scientific, Nevro Incorporated, and ticker symbol NVRO. See, I looked quick. I thought Nevro was the same as the other company that they announced that they were acquiring. So I thought that was going to be pretty funny, but that's not the same company. On the 2nd, they announced that Boston Scientific announces agreement to acquire Neovasic advanced biological tissue capabilities. And that was for $75 million in cash.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, advanced biological, as well as a 15% equity stake in Neovasic. All right, so they're basically today they announced that a definitive agreement to acquire certain manufacturing assets and capabilities of Neovasic Incorporated. So they're not buying the whole company, and then they're also as well taking a 15% stake in the company for a total of $75 million in cash. So they're not buying the entire company, but they're taking a 15% stake, and they're also acquiring some of their manufacturing assets and capabilities. All right, so that was on the 2nd, and then see if there's anything a little more recent. No, that was it.
Okay, so, I mean, that's a brief summary, I guess you could say. And right now, like I said, the 20-day simple moving average, looking at it again here before we end this, but it's just having a hard time with that. Literally, I mean, once it got up through here in October, it just came back down. It's been fighting it since. So let's go ahead and put this one right now at 2085 on the sheet, 2085, and we're gonna put a hold on this one. A hold on that. So that is stock ticker symbol BSX.